We're gonna make an old-fashioned flat top today, and we're gonna grill us some Philly cheesesteaks. Ariel, you want to help? So we're gonna start out our build with these two panels, simply because they're on the top of the stack. But this is our tunnel opening wall. It's got unbent dovetail tabs on the top and bottom. We're gonna install it in a horizontal fashion so that we can put a chimney out the top. Alright, we've got two walls, and we're going to connect these walls in this manner. We're going to start on this side by putting this tunnel wall opening at the top and locking it into place. We had tiny little teeth locks next to each one of these dovetail tabs. And as you're bending it into this perpendicular position right here, you'll hear them all snap and lock into these extra slots here that are designed for this particular purpose. It locks them, holds them in place, and makes construction of your stove much easier. And this wall, we lay down like this. Pull it into place. And there's our basic construction of the stove, which we then take two more panels. And we lock them on the back end like this. Create the back wall. And then by overlapping the two in the center, we're able to lock that all into place and complete our wall. We're going to set this stove up right here. It's a good, solid, stable position. And to finish the stove, we're going to build a small chimney. Now the chimney's assembled, and we drop it into place, down into the slot. And we slide the dovetail tabs on the bottom here in, and we can pinch in on one side, pinch it in on another side, and our chimney is in place.
I can't make sure of that, Ariel.
Why? So sometimes these panels get a little bit stuck and difficult to disassemble.
Because you're on a snowbank.
Should be able to just lightly tap
Come with me and come eat some food.
along that top edge with something soft. and that'll slowly work it so that you can take it apart.
Go down the shallow side here. Go down the shallow side.
Just like that.
Why did you go up there? Why did you go up there?
As long as you're not building an intense fire in the stove, the panels seem to maintain their shape pretty well. These panels have been burned a few times, just lightly. But during testing, we built some pretty intense fires in some of our stoves and found that intense high heat does tend to warp the metal a little bit. But it doesn't really affect the assembly all that much, other than making these panels a little bit tighter to go together, which in the end can be beneficial in keeping your stove together. And there it is.